Good morning, children. Today, I would like to teach you an important concept. That concept is odd and even numbers. Okay, let's learn what are odd numbers and even numbers. Okay, odd numbers are numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, or numbers which are ending with 1, see, ending with 1, or numbers ending with 3. Next, numbers ending with 5, numbers ending with 7, and numbers ending with 9. So, odd numbers are numbers which are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, or numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now, how to remember odd numbers? I will teach you a small poem. Odd numbers, fat and fine. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Can we repeat? Odd numbers, fat and fine. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 1. Next odd number is 3. Next is 5. Next is 7. Next is 9. Suppose I am having 3 pen or 3 markers. So 3 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. Suppose I'm having only one marker with me, then it is an odd number. So very easy to find out an odd number. An odd number is a number that is ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay. Now let's look at the even numbers. So even numbers, they skip by 2. So let's look at even numbers. Okay. Even numbers are 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Or which are ending with 0. For example, 10. Ending with 2. Example, 22. 4. You can give me one example, 44. Ending with 6. 66. Ending with 8. 48. So, even numbers are numbers which are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, let's learn a poem so that we can remember the even numbers. Even numbers, small and great, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Can we repeat? What are even numbers? Even numbers are numbers which skip by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So, even numbers, small and great, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, this also can be called as even numbers. And we can divide them equally. We can divide them equally. If I have 2 pens, I can divide them equally. If I have 4, I can divide into 2, 2. If I have 6, I can divide them into 3, 3. If I have 8, I can divide them into 4 and 4. So I can divide them equally into 2 parts. But an odd number, I cannot divide. If I have 2, I can divide. So it is an even number. Even number can be divided equally. And what are the even numbers? They are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Or numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now, let's look at some even and odd numbers, and then you can guess whether it is an odd number or whether it is an even number. Suppose the number given is, the number given is 7. So 7. What is 7? Is it an odd or an even? It is an odd number. Okay, because we know that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is an odd number and 7. And we cannot divide 7 equally. Now, Suppose 4. 4 is an even number because 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers. Okay. I will give you one more example. Okay. Then you will know what is an even number. So even numbers, they are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and one more quality they have, that they can be divided equally. If I have 4 pencils, I can divide them into 2 parts, 2 and 2. Okay. Now 34. So it's ending with 4. Is it an odd or an even number? That's right. It's an even number because 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is an even number. So 33. 3 ending with 3. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It's an odd number. Okay. Next, if I give a number as 24. So 4. Again 4. So it's an even number. So what are even numbers? Even numbers are numbers that can be divided equally. Okay. For example, there is a square or there is a rectangle and 4 parts. Okay. So they can be divided equally. This 2 and this 2. So 4. 4 is an even number. Understood? Because we can divide it equally. Now, odd numbers, I will give you one more example. 39. 9 cannot be divided. So, 9 is an odd number. Okay? Odd number. Okay. Let's see. Tree. We can draw. I'll draw and show you. This is a rectangle. 1, 2, 3. So I cannot divide it equally. If I want to divide, either this side will come more or this side will come more. So 3 is an odd number. Okay. So now you must have understood what are even numbers and what are odd numbers. Even numbers are those numbers that can be divided into 2 parts equally and which are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. And odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, you have understood what are odd and even numbers. And if I give you one example, you should be able to write if it is an odd number or an even number. For example, 98. So take time to think and write whether it is an odd number or an even number. 98. Okay. 8, we can divide it to 4 and 4. So it is an even number. So once more, let's recollect the concept of even numbers. Even numbers, small and great, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Odd numbers, fat and fine, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and numbers which are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are all odd numbers. So hope you have understood this concept. If you have not understood this concept, kindly ask me this concept in the class. Okay, children? Thank you. Bye.